Okay, gonna try to mount this starter. This is the original one that came with this engine and it had the Bendix on it. In my other video, I bench tested this and another one that was in a box. And the other one actually spun a little bit nicer. And I opened them up and oiled them up a little bit and got them working. Got the Bendix gear here and helix really smooth. So, and I got my 3 bolts, and you can see by the length of them that they're these are actually 1-inch bolts, and that's about as long as you would want because it would hit the flywheel. You could probably get away with a little bit less than 1 inch, you know, whether you get a 5/8 or 3/4 or something like that. But because I'm gonna put a lock washer on it also, and let's see if we can get this in there. And this Model A starter is a little bit different, where it's not pushing towards the flywheel. It comes out and engages the flywheel, and then it spins it back away from it. So get it down in there. Now, get the oil fill out of there. And there's like a little shoulder that you have to get the starter in there and make contact. Let's see if I can get these other 2 bolts in a little easier. This one started. So these are 9/16 bolt heads. Okay, so now we do mount the starter switch on top here. So I mounted the starter switch and got it mounted, and I also went ahead and put the fuse that you can buy to protect the rest of the body from it. Okay, I got the battery disconnect switch on. Battery's connected, battery connected. Got the fusible link, which is going to go to the ignition, everything else, lights, horn, everything. Right now it's not doing anything, but I went ahead and mounted the fuse, and I mounted the starter switch. So if I turn that on, got the battery going, still got the charger going on it. So we should have. So she cranks over pretty good. And I can cut that off instead of taking the battery posts on and off. This worked pretty good. You know, I mounted the disconnect switch into the frame mount, which is the motor mount, and so it's very stable, and it's a positive click on and off, and I marked it on and off, and so that's working pretty good.